There are two sites that I want to show you. The first one is cbtrends.com, which you can find here at cbtrends.com. This is a membership site, but it's free to join, so simply click on the member login link, which will be up here when you come to the site for the first time, and then follow the on-screen instructions, and it is free to join. And when you come to the site here, you'll see they show products listed by gravity, and also you can find products listed by popularity here, and it gives a lot of information about each product. It will tell you the popularity, since we're looking at by popularity. It'll give you the commission per sale. See, this one makes 75%. The earnings, the percentage rebill, and the rebill amount if it's a recurring product. So you get a lot of information here, and likewise you can see it has the same amount here but with the gravity. Or you can also drill down by category. So let's look here at health and fitness, and you can see you've got them listed here, and they're listed by gravity, but you can, if you wish, change the sort order, so you can have them by popularity rank or percentage per sale and so on. I'm going to keep it at gravity, and just scroll down a bit here. You've got them listed here. You click on this link to take you to the website, so you can look at the sales page, and you can see it lists the information here, just sort of in a basic format. But what you should do here is click where it says trends, and it takes you through to this page, and you can see it tells you a lot of information about the product. There's a link to the product page, so you can take a look at it to make sure that it fits in with your audience. There's the description. It says when it first went on sale, which is when they first started to track it. And you can see this has been in the ClickBank marketplace since the 1st of August 2013. Scroll down a bit here. You can see it gives you a lot of information like you'd find in the ClickBank marketplace: the affiliate commission rates, the whether it's got a recurring product, the initial earnings and the average earnings, the rebill amount, the percentage rebill, and so on. It gives you the Alexa ranking, so you can see how well the site performs, and the QR code. But if I scroll down a bit further, here's where you find the really interesting information. You have these charts here which can tell you how popular the product is, and the gravity. You can see this is a rising trend, just off the boil here a bit, but now starting to rise again. And the earnings per sale, again a bit of a loop, but it's sort of on an up and down graph trend. So this is, I would say, the general trend of this product is upwards, so I would say that it would be a good product to promote. And again, the referrals, the number of referrals, so this shows that this product is mostly sold through affiliates. So this would be a pretty good product to promote. So what I could then do would be to go to ClickBank, log in, and get the hop link and start promoting it. One other site that I want to show you, which is CB Engine. CB Engine works on a similar principle, and there are free and paid for versions, and as you can see here, the pro version, the paid for version, is $27. I'm going to use the free version for this demonstration because you can get the gist of how it works from that. But in order to get all of the statistics, you do need to upgrade to the paid for version. One of the things that CB Engine has over the other site is you can actually do a more detailed search. For example, you can look up a vendor, you can put in the vendor's nickname in there and get the stats for their products, or you can do a in-depth search. Now let's say that we're going to look for something in the health and fitness niche, so I can choose here under health, And in the subcategories, again, we can do different categories here. Let's say we just want to have all of the subcategories to get a better idea of what's available. And you can choose by the ranking. Let's say we want one that's in the top 10. You can put in the keywords. So let's say weight loss. And you can look in the title only, the body only, or the ClickBank ID, or keep it at any. I'm going to keep it at any for this demonstration. You can check how new it is, and the affiliate commission. Let's say we want one that pays more than 50%, or let's say you're going to pay more than $30. We should get quite a few there. And you can order it. Let's say we'll order it by gravity. And we'll have it in ascending order. And then there's some other custom features that you can add if you're a pro member. You can group it by description mode and have it with a recurring only, yes, no, or both. Keep it at both, and then click on search. And as you can see, it gives us quite a lot to choose from. You can scroll down, you can see all the different ones, and then you can go through and decide which ones you want to promote. You can click here where it says visit website to visit the website, or you can click here on more details. Let's click on more details. And again, it gives you the summary. And you can then get some information here. You can get your affiliate link, clicking there. It gives you the marketplace rating. See, it's 3 out of 5. Some of these stats, like the refund rate and the product price, you can only get if you're a pro member. But it does give you things like the gravity, referrals, and so on. Also gives you things like the popularity ranking. Again, you have to be a pro member to get a lot of these stats, and some related products that you might also want to promote to the same niche. Here again, look on the payout tab. It gives you some nice stats here, the initial earnings per sale and the average net payout here, average percentage per sale. Again, the referrals, the gravity, and the commission. Again, just like with on the last site, you want to make sure that you find one that is rising in order to get a good one to promote. And look here, it says graph. And again, you've got the gravity. And it gives you the dates here as to when the gravity was changed and by how much. And again, you can see you've got some more statistics as well. You have to have the Pro Edition for the full payout history. And you've also got here the related sites. And again, you've got some more related products that you might want to promote to your niche or to your list. And it's on the Send tab. And you can send a link to this product either to yourself or to a partner. So there you go. These are 2 tools that you can use to help find the best type of product to promote on ClickBank. With them, you're going to be one step ahead of the crowd, one step ahead of most affiliates who will simply go to the marketplace, look at the statistics, and might not find the real gem. So there you go, just 2 tools that you can use to help you get more from affiliate marketing on ClickBank.